Is your Google TV showing the wrong time or schedule? This often happens if the time zone is incorrect, which can affect apps, reminders, and even program guides. In this guide, I'll show you how to change the time zone on your Google TV. So let's get started. First up, open your TV. Then from the home screen, use your remote to navigate to the gear icon, basically your settings. Now scroll down to device preferences and open it. Select date and time. If automatic time zone is enabled, turn it off because you can't manually update your time zone if it's enabled. After that, select time zone. Choose the correct region and city from the list. After you are done, you can go back to your home screen. Now verify if the clock now matches your local time. And that's it. You successfully changed the time zone on your Google TV. If this guide helped you out, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Google TV tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.